Hey, it's Strutter, and today is April 22nd, 2013, and as you know, there's been quite a disturbance in the physical silver and gold bullion markets over the past week or so. This is the major drop in silver from the 28 level down to the, well, 22 level in about one day. And we have sort of flatlined around 23 ever since, and we're sitting at 23.20 right now. This price chart really doesn't show the full picture of what's going on in the market, though, at all. And as you know, price is a function of both demand and supply. When supply goes down, price goes up. When supply goes up, price goes down. But when demand goes up, price also goes up. And when demand goes down, price also goes down. So another way to say that is price is proportional to demand and price is inversely proportional to supply. So if we want to know a little bit more about the market over the past week, we need to look at other things other than just the price chart, because that no longer is really actually tracking supply and demand. That price chart is pretty much wholly controlled by a very small number of people in the world who decide where it is and where it goes. And that's equally true of the gold market as well. So let's have a look at a few things here. This is from the Texas Precious Metals website. They've been in business apparently since 1898, selling precious metals to the public. And this is a very interesting inventory update over the past week. They talk a lot about all these things. And this is some insider's information and insight into the precious metals bullion markets. This is the Chinese Gold and Silver Exchange Society runs out of gold importing from Switzerland and London. So this is, it's their major gold exchange, and they are pretty much out of metal. This guy talks about gold and silver, and I'll link that as well down below. We have an additional source for real information about the precious metals markets, and that is the U.S. Mint's website, because they publish daily, or weekly lately, but regularly they publish information about their sales of gold and silver eagles. Yesterday, the 21st, they updated their gold, and today, the 22nd, they updated their silver. I figured you guys might be tired of looking at that screen. I know I was. It's really nice here in Vancouver, so I brought the camera outside. The demand for silver eagles right now is almost 50% higher than in any previous month in history. And the demand for gold eagles is almost 30% higher than any month in history. So we are sitting now at the all-time high for demand for precious metals. So some people would probably question the numbers and say, eagles don't represent everything, we can't make such claims. Well, we can make such claims because we see it being borne out in other parts of the industry as well. It's not just eagles, it's not just gold and silver. Demand for all precious metals is up, and demand for all precious metal types like eagles, maples, pandas, everything. It's all through the roof. And these numbers aren't an anomaly. We can't just ignore them, we can't brush them under the rug, no matter how much the Mint tries to manipulate when they release their data and, push sales back or forth a little bit on their data sheets and stuff to make it look like things aren't as desperate as they are. It's not working. Everyone knows. The cat's out of the bag. The prices have come down. It was a fake bring down of the price, and, it's not being borne out by the physical market. So we'll have to see what happens going forward. Talk to you guys soon.